Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll take a look at how to create online store on Wix as a complete beginner. So if you are new to this platform, this video will be pretty helpful as for you. If you want to create an online store, we'll take a look at how to manage products, how to customize a website, how to set up our payments. So make sure to watch this video till the very end so you won't make any mistakes. We can even create our website without upgrading our plan, so you can do it completely as a test thing. So here we are on Wix.com, and in order to get started, just simply click on our button in the central part or in the right top menu. And after a small registration, basically you can create an account with your Gmail, or you can create a separate account. You'll come to this page where we can interact with our website. You will not have any of these windows here because these are my websites. And in order to interact with Wix, you need to know that it's like a website builder which provides us the opportunity to create a website easily from blocks. We don't need to write any code or something like this. All we need to do to interact with Wix is just simply drag and drop some items on our panel and then just manage it through our dashboard. So in order to create a website, in our case to create an online store, just simply click on create new site in the right top corner, and after that we'll come to the next page where we can easily answer for a couple of questions like what kind of website are you creating. In this case, we just simply can answer like online store. If you want to add some more details, you can easily like a drum store, clothing store. In my case, I'm going to click on next because all these questions is to make it easier to find a more suitable template. I will show you how to do it by yourself. And as you can see, now everything is set up, and all we need to do is now to add our store name. Let it be like shop 1. Next, do you already have an online store? Here we can click on no, I'm just starting because we are new to Wix and online store creating at all. What would you like to sell? So here we can choose, for example, physical products, and let's say that I also would like to try dropshipping products and digital products. Next, and where would you like to sell? On our online store, mobile app, in person. Of course, we need to choose online store, so we'll create a website with a complete checkout experience. Next, and now we can continue to dashboard. So this is our main page. From this page here, we can easily set up everything, add products, manage marketing stuff, also connect payments. And here we have a quick checklist on our home page. What do we need to do? So basically update your store type, connect a custom domain, set up payment methods, add your first product, set up shipping and delivery, design your site, sell drop shipping or print on demand products, or get found by customers on Google. So we can use this checklist, or we can continue by ourselves. In my case, I prefer to start with finding a more suitable design. So in order to do it, just simply click on design site in the right top. So we'll come to the next page where we have two options. How would you like to design your website? So we can let Wix create a site for you, use our site builder to go live quickly, or we can customize a designed template. In my case, I recommend to use the second variant because in this case we can easily find a lot of templates we can use completely easy without any pain, and all of them are pretty cool and pretty easy to customize as we need. We have just a simple stores like the first one here, or we can choose some types. So in the top of the screen we have a couple of types like fashion and clothing, jewelry and accessories, and so on. Let's say that we want to interact with sports and outdoors, for example. And as you can see, we have more than 10 templates for this category we can use. And I would like to use, let's say that let's use this one here. So let's click on view to see how will it look like as for us. And basically It looks like really normal bag store. And what is interesting to know about Wix templates is that they're totally responsive for different platforms. So we can click on mobile view in the top of the screen, and after that, as you can see, everything is adopted to our like mobile view. So let's use this template. Click on edit this site in the right top, and after that, this template will be used as a base template for our personal website. So from this moment here, all we will add on our editor will be added to our website we already have. So basically now we are interacting with our website. All you need to do is just simply wait for a little until all the things will be set up, and now we are on our editor. So let's take a quick look. So in the left side we have a couple of options: add elements, add section, pages and menus, site design, add apps, business, media and CMS. So firstly, you need to know that every single website on Wix was created from different pages, and pages divided into different sections. So now we are on our home page, and here we have this section here, this section here, this section here, and we can easily interact with them by using like simple actions. So here we have actions. We can move it down, move it up, we can edit, and we can click on edit to see the main preferences. To see main settings, we can change and interact too. So everything is quite easy, and even if I will not show some in-depth cases in this video, I think you will it will be easy for you to discover it by yourself. So you need to know that you can delete, move sections, and also edit content inside. In order to add pages at all, we need to find this icon here in the left side menu, pages and menu, and click on it. After that, you'll be able to see site menu, where we have a couple of different pages like about, contact, shop, and so on. Some of them are just simply anchors. It means that if we'll click on them, we'll be moved to the necessary section on our page. Also, we have sign up and login page, store pages, members area, and groups pages. So it could be a little bit hard to understand right up now, but I recommend you just simply keep watching. So in order to interact with our pages, we can do a couple of options. So firstly, in the bottom of the screen, we have this option to add a page. And if we'll click on it, we can easily see a lot of different templates for pages we can use: about, services, project, contact, general, landing page, and so on. And depending on your purposes, you can delete or add them. So the easiest way to create an online store is just simply create a one-page website where you will have your products, and also like checkout page where people can to set up their payment. If you want to add like about page or services or projects, you can just simply add them by using this feature here. And also we can delete the unnecessary stuff. So let's say that I don't want to use a members thing, so I can click on it, click on more, and then I can easily just simply delete these pages. Nothing hard, just simply click, delete, and in a few seconds everything will be automatically deleted, as you can see. Nothing hard. And these pages are even not visible now, so let's delete them. We don't need them at all. And this is the way of how can we interact with site menu, and how can we interact with pages in general. Other thing is that we can easily use like site style, so interactive wall design. We can easily customize color theme, so we can choose it from like pre-created. As you can see, we can easily customize wall template by simply choosing another theme. The same thing we can do with our text theme, page background, and page transitions. So I recommend you to see how will it work as for you, because sometimes these changes could be like in a better way, and they can make it even like worse a little. If you don't want to like full in depth in these things, just simply skip this step. And then last thing about editing is that we need to customize all the content inside, of course, because we will add like our own products a little bit later. So customize all the content. And in order to do it, just simply click on every single element, and after that you'll be able to see these options in the left top corner of the window, so we can edit text and do some other things. The same with the thing with the button, for example. We can click and interact with buttons, and this is definitely the best way of how to interact with elements inside of the object. So we can even delete it, we can change the position, and it's like really easy to understand how does it work. Just simply open maybe some example or template and try to do it by yourself, so it will be pretty easy as for you to interact with design. So in this case, you need to change all the sections, all the elements on your website. If you want to add element, for example, you can click on plus and then find the necessary one: text, images, buttons, strips, decorative, box, galleries. There is a huge amount of different things we can add to our website. And for example, if I want to add image, I can just simply click on image, import or upload, and we can like upload image or use like free template. Let's say that we want to use this one here. So now we can resize it, we can change the position, we can change image, edit image, crop, add some filters and so on. So as you can see, nothing really hard. So it's on you. I have a lot of tutorials on my channel. You can watch them a little bit later of how to interact with Wix editor. So let's click on publish in the right top, and yes, it means that we can easily publish our website even like after these things. We'll have this domain, so you can custom it a little bit later. You can add a custom domain, but now it's visible with this link here, so we can click on view site, and as you can see, we have a new style. If I scroll down, I can find this photo here. So yeah, it works really well. So now let's go back to our dashboard. So we'll click on Wix logo in the left top and then click on go to dashboard. And from this page here, now we can easily start to set up our payments and add products. So in order to manage our payments, scroll down in the left side and then go to settings. And here we need to click on accept payments. After that, we'll be redirected to accept payment page where we can easily set up all the things. Firstly, choose your business location in the right top. So according to these settings, we'll have different payments which are available as for us. So we can choose from a huge amount of different countries. And let's say that we are in the United States. So we have three options. We can accept cards, PayPal, or manual payments. And of course, it will be easier to accept credit or debit card. So we can click on connect. We can find some information here. So after that, do you sell any of prohibited products? No, I don't. Accept and continue. And then choose the necessary options you'd like to enable. I would like to enable all of them. Click on next. And basically, in a few seconds, everything will be done. Now, all we need to do is to fill some information about our things. And basically, we can click on continue setup. And here we need to provide Wix with a couple of information. Firstly, our business type, personal details, address, and so on. So it's also on you. In the bottom of the screen, we can find Wix payment fees. So here you can find that you have like 2.9% per transaction plus 30 cents, and also 2.6 for some options to pay. Also, what is interesting about accepting payments is that this feature is only available then we will upgrade our plan to premium. We'll discover pricings a little bit later, but you need to know that if you want to set up your online store on Wix and you'll be able to accept payments, you need to upgrade your plan. So it's impossible to use it on like basic plan. So it's about payments, and let's say we want to manage our products. So in order to do it, we need to find a store product here and then go to products to see how will it look like as for us now. And now basically we have like template products here, and we can find some information: name, type, number, price, and inventory. If you want to delete them, we can just simply select and more actions, delete once more. So now in order to add a new product, we just simply need to click on a new product in the right top corner right up here. Here we need to choose a type, because according is it like physical or digital, we'll have to provide Wix with different stuff. let's say we want to add physical products. And here, as you can see on this page, we just simply need to add information. So we need to add a title, images, videos, name, description, price, is it on sale, is it like a show price per unit, and so on. So just simple information about products. Also, it depends on the product you'd like to sell. You can add different prices, sizes, you can manage some other things. And also we can create like coupons, promote our products, do some advanced stuff, and so on. As you can see, it's like really easy to interact with the products. And after that, just simply click on save. If you'd like to add, for example, a digital file, we'll have to upload this file on Wix and also just simply add some additional information. As you can see, nothing really hard as for us. After that, all the products will be displayed in our inventory in the left side menu. As you can see, once you add products, you'll be able to track your inventory here. So after that, your products will be added to our shop. And if we scroll down, we can see that we have this shop here. And there is no products now, but we can easily add them and then they'll be displayed right up there. Also, we can manage some categories if it's necessary as for you. For example, divide them through different clothes types like t-shirts, shirts, and so on. If you want to manage orders, we also have this like folder here. Go to orders, and then we'll be able to see all the information about them. Then we will have our products and so on. What is interesting about Wix that we also have option to set up our CEO. If you'll go to marketing and CEO and they'll go to CEO stuff, we can easily find a huge checklist about how to set up CEO things, and you'll be able to see it. And basically we can click on get started, add some keyword things and so on. I also have a huge tutorial about it on my channel, so I recommend you to see these things. Basically, that's the main features of Wix. You need to know about how to set up your online store. And basically, we have more things here. For example, we can, of course, go to marketing and CEO or analytics and reports to see like traffic overview, some information about our visitors, number of visitors per, for example, month or per week or per day. And there are a lot of features provided by Wix. We can also set up our email marketing if it's necessary, as for us to notify our users about new products, about some other things, so we can collect their data and so on. Also, on the editor page, we have a couple of options with different integrations where we can add different apps. If we'll go to add app market, we can see like a couple of different things. For example, if you want to use dropshipping with AliExpress, we can use this thing here with Amazon, multi-channel fulfillment, Printful, print on demand, and so on. So I recommend you to discover this huge world by yourself. We have a lot of tutorials on our channel with like different integrations, for example, with MailChimp, with VBBack, and so on. So what about our prices? What can we say about it? It will discover different plans. As you remember, we need to upgrade our store according to the premium plan to basically use features to accept payments. And as you can see, if we are going to pay like annually or monthly, let's see, we'll have different prices depending on the like feature we'd like to have. We have light, core, business, business elite, and the recommended plan is like business, $32 per month, where we have 10 collaborators, 100 gigabytes storage space, and so on. We can compare them in more features table. So basically, yeah. And I think that Wix is really good to start with, and we have a lot of features as you can see on Wix. So yeah, it's definitely worth to use if you want to start your online store, your dropshipping career, and so on. So yeah, that's all for this video. Hope this video helped you out. Leave a like, subscribe, and goodbye guys.